Hi and welcome. In front of me is Harman Kardon Citation 300, and today I will show you how to manage your voice commands in the speaker. Let's get started. At first we have to scroll down to voice presets. If we click plus, we can now record our command. Now I will show you.
What do you want to set your preset to?
Tell me the weather.
Got it. The preset for this button is, tell me the weather. Go ahead and try it.
Now we can choose our icon. Our will be this one. I don't know why. And now we can use it. Now I will tell you how to do it. Now we have to click it.
Right now in Krakow it's 79 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 82 and a low of 61.
And as you can see, this is our voice presets. To erase it, we have to long press this icon. Now click this bin icon. That's it for today. Hope it helps. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Goodbye.